Assalamualaikum and good morning, Six Mutiara. How are you today? Okay, so today is our last day for PDPR because starting from tomorrow, you will start your holiday. Okay, so besok dah mula bercuti selama 2 minggu. So hari ni hari terakhir PDPR. So I hope that today many of you can do my work, can join the PDPR. If you have any problem, please ask me. Okay? So saya harap ramai yang dapat join hari ini, dapat buat hari ini. Tolong pesan pada kawan-kawan yang tak pernah hantar tu, tak pernah buat. Okay? Tolonglah buat. Okay? Ada masalah boleh tanya Okay. Alright, so today is Thursday, 27th May 2021. Subject English with Mr. Fizri. Okay, today as usual we want to use your module. Okay, please open your module. Okay, I want you to answer page 10. Okay, page 10 and page 11. So today you have to answer 2 pages. Ada 2 muka surat tapi tak banyak, only 5 questions and 5 questions, 10 questions only. 10 soalan saja. Kalau tak sempat hantar hari ni, you can send to me tomorrow. Okay? It's okay. Alright, now I will explain the questions. Okay, number 1. According to Dr. Lina, one symptom of stress in younger children is, okay, berdasarkan Dr. Lina, satu simptom stres. Simptom tu maksudnya tanda lah, tanda-tanda stres ataupun tekanan di kalangan kanak-kanak ni. Okay. Apakah simptom dia? Okay, number 1, headache. Headache. Headache is sakit kepala. Please take note in your book. Tulis headache, sakit kepala. Number 2, thumb sucking. Thumb sucking. Thumb sucking ni hisap jari. Number 3, mood swings. Mood swings. Mood swings is emosi yang berubah-ubah. Kejap marah, kejap happy, okay, kejap sedih. Right, so please find this answer from the text on page 9. Okay, muka surat 9 ada teks dia. So sila cari jawapan. And number 2, how can parents help their children cope with stress? How? Bagaimana parents boleh bantu anak-anak untuk mengatasi stres atau mengatasi stres lah. Okay, atau untuk handle stress. Okay, so parents boleh buat apa? Number 1, force them to talk. Okay, paksa mereka untuk bercakap. Number 2, send them to counselors. Hantar kepada counselor ataupun guru counselling. Number 3, spend quality time with them. Meluangkan masa yang berkualiti dengan mereka. So parents boleh buat apa? Please find in the text. Okay, number 3, state one effect of good stress in children. Okay, nyatakan, bagi satu kesan baik stres. Satu kesan baik stres yang baik kepada kanak-kanak. Okay, so sebenarnya stres ni rupanya ada kesan baik juga. Ada stres yang jenis stres yang baik, tekanan yang baik. Apa kesan dia? Okay, this one pun ada. You can find from the text. Number 4. Parents were welcome to speak to the psychiatrists and counselors at the talk. Why do you think this is a good idea? Ibu bapa dialu-alukan untuk bercakap dengan psychiatrist ni adalah pakar psikiatri lah, yang berkaitan tentang masalah-masalah jiwa ni, and counselor. Okay, counselor. Kenapa parents ni dijemput untuk berjumpa ke psikiatri dan counselor untuk berbincang? Okay. Why do you think this is a good idea? Kenapa ini idea yang bagus? Alright, number 5. In your opinion, why would parents be interested to attend the talk? In your opinion. Okay, bila soalan your opinion ni pendapat. This is kebat. Okay. Okay. You cannot find this answer from the text. Number 5 ni, nombor 5 tak ada jawapan dalam teks. Sila fikir. Okay. Pada pendapat awak, kenapa parents ni akan berminat untuk mendengar ceramah tu? Okay. Kenapa? Maybe it's good for parents to handle the stress among the children, or maybe because the children can cope with stress among the children, or the parents can help the children to cope with stress. Okay, kita boleh ambil ayat ni Okay, tambah sikit je. The parents can help their children to cope with stress. Full stop pun boleh, no problem. Okay. Any answer, any relevant answer. Ataupun boleh menambah ilmu. Parents can add knowledge. Okay, pun boleh juga. Okay, next page. Okay, number 1. Okay, this is page 9 muka surat 9 je ke? No, this is page 11. This is page 11 muka surat 11. Okay, number 1. People who go for the lunch at the vegetarian restaurant next Sunday. Okay, orang-orang yang pergi makan tengah hari di restoran vegetarian hari Ahad akan datang. Okay, number 1. Okay, tandakan jawapan yang betul. Must donate to the orphanage. Mesti derma kepada anak yatim. Orphanage is anak yatim. Number 2. Need to wash the dishes. Kena basuh pinggan. Number 3. Can eat as much as they want. Boleh makan sebanyak-banyak yang mereka nak. Okay, this answer you can find from the text. Okay, ini text page 10 page 10. Muka surat 10 ada jawapannya. Okay, number 2. Why is Jasmine inviting Kylie's grandparents for the buffet lunch? Kenapa Jasmine menjemput datuk dan nenek Kylie ke makan tengah hari buffet? Okay, number 1. She wants them to donate money. Dia nak mereka menderma. She knows they are vegetarian. Dia tahu yang mereka ni vegetarian. Okay, tahu tak vegetarian tu apa? Okay, vegetarian tu meaning that orang yang makan sayur dan buah-buahan sahaja. Dia tak makan daging. Itulah vegetarian. Okay, number 3. She wants them to taste the porridge. Dia nak mereka rasa porridge, bubur. Okay. You can find this from the text. And then number 3. State one example of a spicy dish served in the restaurant. Okay, bagi satu contoh hidangan yang pedas yang dihidang di restoran. Okay, this one you can find from the text, ada dalam teks. Number 4. According to Jasmine, money collected on that Sunday will be donated to the orphanage. Why do you think this is a good idea? Mengikut Jasmine, duit-duit yang dikutip pada hari Ahad akan didermakan kepada anak-anak yatim. Kenapa awak rasa ini ide yang bagus? Okay. So this one you have to think, this is kebat. Kena fikir, kenapa bagus kutip derma kepada anak yatim ni? Maybe you can write, we can help the orphanage to buy clothes ke, ataupun the orphanage can use the money to buy their needs. Okay. Ataupun any relevant answer lah. Apa-apa jawapan. Kenapa bagus kutip derma? Okay, next. In your opinion, why is Jasmine's father giving a free vegetarian buffet lunch? Pada pendapat awak, kenapakah ayah Jasmine memberi secara percuma makan tengah hari vegetarian ni? Okay, so kenapa dia bagi percuma? Okay, this is your kebat juga. Maybe, okay, I can give you suggestion lah. Cadangan maybe awak boleh tulis untuk menjemput, untuk menggalakkan orang datang, to encourage people to come, ataupun untuk menggalakkan orang menderma, to encourage people to donate. Okay, any relevant answer, apa-apa jawapan yang sesuai. Okay, so that's all for today. Any problem you can WhatsApp me. After you have finished, please take the photo and WhatsApp to me untuk saya tanda. Okay, that's all. Thank you.